Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install WizTree on your Windows computer step by step. If you want to quickly analyze your disk space and find the files and folders taking up the most storage, WizTree is one of the fastest tools you can use. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official WizTree website. From there, download the latest version of WizTree that's compatible with your Windows computer. Make sure you're downloading the installer from the official source to ensure you get the latest and safest release. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the WizTree installer file. Double-click it to begin the installation. If Windows displays a user account control prompt asking for permission, click Yes to continue. Next, follow the installation wizard. Read and accept the license agreement if prompted, then choose the installation folder or leave the default location selected. Click Next, then choose Install to begin copying the program files to your computer. The installation usually takes less than a minute. After the setup is complete, click Finish to launch WizTree immediately. The application may ask for administrator permission so it can scan your drives more accurately. Grant the permission if prompted, and you're ready to start analyzing your disk space. You can now select a drive, perform your first scan, and quickly identify large files and folders that may be using valuable storage on your computer. And that's it. You now know how to install WizTree on your Windows PC and get started with fast disk space analysis. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to launch programs with Flow Launcher